Welcome to part 2 of the World Composition video series. This video discusses tile performance and which tile resolutions are the best to use. If levels start disappearing from the levels list and other World Composition dialog lists, simply restart the editor. On multiple occasions, I have had the levels slowly start disappearing from the list starting with X0, Y0. The level is still in the folder under the map, it is just not being correctly loaded by the editor. Other issues include assigning new materials or material instances to the landscape streaming proxies. Attempting to select all landscape streaming proxies on a large tile set and assigning the landscape material can cause the computer to run out of video memory. I encountered this on a 400 square kilometer map with 400 tiles. On a 10 gigabyte RTX 3080 GPU, the video black screened, and when it recovered a few seconds later, the NVIDIA driver displayed a dialog stating that the GPU had ran out of video memory. Another issue includes creating LODs for the tiles on the level details dialog. Attempting to create LODs on more than about 200 levels at a time causes the Unreal Editor to crash. This is with Unreal Ed 4.26.2. So I created LODs in batches of 50 or 100 levels. I don't recommend building worlds with 4033 and 8129 tiles unless absolutely necessary, especially if the tiles have a lot of assets on them such as foliage and meshes. The tile streaming system for large tiles such as this will definitely hitch when the tile is being loaded. On a 1024 square kilometer test world composition of 8129 by 8129 tiles, I was getting drops to 0 FPS during loading and unloading. This is on an i7-6800K, 32 gigabytes memory, GTX 1060 GPU, and the release build project on an NVMe drive. Loading was visibly taking at least 1/4 of a second with a drop to 0 FPS, and unloading was almost instant with a drop to 0 FPS. As more assets are added to the tiles, the load time and hitch time will only increase. I also don't recommend going with more than 32 by 32 tiles, for a total of 1024 tiles, as it simply becomes overwhelming to manage that high volume of files. This would place the maximum usable world composition size at 32 times 2017, which is a 64 kilometer by 64 kilometer world, or 4,096 square kilometers. Or alternately 32 times 1513, which is a 48 kilometer by 48 kilometer world, or 2,304 square kilometers. Tests were performed on my computer systems to determine if there is a best tile performance size. The tests were conducted on a packaged build of the project. NVIDIA FrameView was used to record the average frame rate. The same location was used at the center of the map and looking towards the far side. I tested 6 tile size sets from 1 to 32 by 32 to determine if there was a best performance size. They were tested in packaged builds on the following computer systems. The i7-6800K computer with GTX 1060 is close to the most popular computer specification on the Steam hardware survey. The R9-5950X computer with RTX 3080 is pretty much the mainstream top-end computer at the time of this video. To make the tests equal, the level streaming distance was set high enough that all tiles were loaded and visible. On the i7-6800K 32 gigabyte memory GTX 1060 video system, the FPS results at 1920 by 1080 were on the R9-5950X 128 gigabyte memory RTX 3080 video system, the FPS results at 2560 by 1440 were The results were that the world composition system has approximately a 10% to 15% performance penalty over a single landscape terrain. And the higher the tile count, in this case 32 by 32, the worse the performance, with 32 by 32 tiles coming in at about 15% to 20% slower. Since the 8129 and 4033 tiles are for the most part removed from consideration due to hitching issues that are very noticeable on medium-range computer systems, that places the best performing tile size at 1009 by 1009. The world assets and file count starts to become unwieldy at more than 32 by 32 tiles, which is 1024 tiles total, so the best large terrain size is 32 by 32 of 1009 by 1009 tiles, or a 32 kilometer by 32 kilometer terrain. With the 16 by 16 tiles, which is a total 256 tiles, of 1009 by 1009 being probably one of the most optimal large terrain sizes.